Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide apps on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, by knowing how to hide apps on your device, you can maintain privacy, enhance security, organize your app efficiently, control access to certain content, and customize your device layout to suit your preferences and needs. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, go to the settings menu and select the privacy option. Okay, and then select the X hide option. So here you can choose the log type and create a log code that is easy to remember. After finishing, click Next step and confirm it. So click OK. After that, you can choose to link your account or skip this step. And in this case, I will choose to skip. Okay, next select the app option and tap the add icon in the bottom corner. Then choose the applications you want to hide. So when finished, click confirm. Okay, and the applications you selected will now be hidden. So to unhide the apps, long press on it and click on hide option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide apps on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.